In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a promo code on GoDaddy and save money. We'll walk through the entire process, from signing in to completing your purchase, so you can check out with confidence and keep more in your pocket. Start by opening your preferred browser and heading to the GoDaddy website. Once you're on the home page, sign into your account using your usual login details. Make sure you're on the official site and that your connection is secure before entering any information. After you're signed in, you'll be ready to choose what you want to buy. Next, find the product or service you're interested in. This could be a domain, hosting, email, or another tool, and add it to your cart. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right plan, term length, and any add-ons you actually want. Small choices here can affect your total and how your discount applies. By the way, since this is a website, I've placed the official GoDaddy link at the top of the description to make it easy for you to get to the correct page without searching around. Now, open your cart by clicking the cart icon in the top right corner. This brings up a summary of everything you're about to purchase. Review your items carefully to make sure the quantities, durations, and prices look right, and that there aren't any extras you don't need. Look for the field labeled promo code or discount code within the cart. Click into that box, then type or paste your promo code exactly as it appears, and select Apply. If you're pasting, watch out for extra spaces before or after the code, as those can cause it not to work. Also keep in mind that some codes have expiration dates, product exclusions, or minimum purchase requirements. After you apply the code, verify that the discount has been added to your order total. You should see the price adjust or a line item showing the amount saved. If nothing changes, double check the code's spelling and eligibility, or try a different valid code. It's important to confirm the discount here before you proceed. Once the promo code is successfully applied and your total looks correct, click Checkout to finalize your order. Follow the on-screen steps to complete your purchase. Before you confirm, give your order one last look to ensure the promo is still active on the final summary. And that's it. That's how you can easily apply a promo code on GoDaddy and save money on your purchases. If you found this helpful, don't forget the link to GoDaddy is at the top of the description. Thanks for watching.